How's it, guys? In today's video with VinylCut we'll be covering the font preview feature. Just go to the intro quick. Okay, now just a reminder, this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We cover a variety of different programs. So just go have a look there, and also we do upload videos daily, so you can keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, in the past, to preview a font was a little bit of a workaround. So you had to first select your file, your text, then you would go to the font here on the right, click on your font, and then you preview it here by the little ABC DE here on the right. There's a bit of a slip, especially if I zoom out, you can see it's quite small. So to get the right ideas, it was a bit tricky. Now what you can also do, now with the new feature, how you would actually achieve this. And it's, like I said, it's really great for designers if you're doing logos or anything like that, to be able to preview your text instead of having to running through all the fonts. So to locate it, we'll be going on top to our top menu here to the text, and then you'll go to font preview. Now just keep in mind, if your font is not selected or your text, if you go there you won't be able to select it. So make sure you select your text, go to text, font preview. Now first thing I like to do is just go to this little slider bar and then click it, hold and zoom it to the left so we can see the full preview of the font. Then what you can do is you just go through this list. The nice thing is it'll display your actual text on live preview, so you can see it within the font, what it would actually look like. And let's say you find something you like, you can just click on it, normal left click. You go further, if you find something else you like, once again you click it. You can just go, tell you like, okay, I kind of like this range. Then what we can do is quite a nice feature. We go here to the bottom left, display selection only. Now we can isolate only the selected, so we can easily demo it and quickly get to what we like. If there's one you don't like, you just select it and then it will start removing them from your actual font selection. Now let's say you've isolated to one font, kind of like that one. Then to make the change, we go to the bottom right here and we select change font. Now you'll see on your preview the actual font has changed. So like I say, once again, for designing and that, this tool is invaluable. It really speeds up the process. And then just head to the website quick. So if you're looking for training videos like this, you can always go to softwaretraining.co.za. We've got quite a range of different softwares we cover, and then we've got a list you can go down. Got a search option if you're looking for something specific, you don't want to filter through everything. Then also, if you don't find what you're looking for, we have this nice little feature here called request the training video. Then you let us know what you're looking for and then we'll make the video for you. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, cheers.